Okay, we're solving quadratic inequalities here, and if that had an equal sign instead of an inequality sign, you would just go, oh, that's dead easy, I can just stick that in two brackets. And that's exactly what I'm going to do actually. So I want two numbers that multiply to make plus 12 and add to make minus 7, well, x minus 3, x minus 4. Okay, and then to solve it, okay, if it was an equals, I would get this, wouldn't I? X 3 and 4. Now, if that's a curve, alright, and actually those aren't the answers, so I shouldn't really write that down. If that's a curve, alright, what it's saying is it's going to look like something like this, okay, where it's going to go like that, and it's going to cross at 3 and 4. Okay, so the bit we want is below, okay, the x-axis, alright, that's why this got this less than sign. So actually what I should be doing for my answer is this. Okay, so it's the bit below is between 3 and 4. Alright, so looking at the next bit, again I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Now I've chosen a couple of fairly easy examples, it has to be said. They're not always going to be this easy, so I should have plus 3 and x minus 2. Again, if I'm going to have a look at it as a curve, it's going to go something like this, where that's 2 and that's 3. Now the bit I want is above the curve, so this time I'm going to do two inequalities. I want things that are less than or equal to minus 3, and it's got to be above 2. Okay, so essentially I want this bit here, okay, down there below the curve. For this bit I want this bit here and this bit here. So I have to write two separate inequalities because they're two separate bits of graph, as it were. Alright, but ultimately it's what you've done in GCSE, but just with an inequality sign.